probably my worst year. My worst year in Jamaica.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. Now guys, today this is just going to be a short and sweet video, but I really wanted to do a video reflecting my life in 2021 as we come to the end of 2021 and enter into 2022. Often it's a time of reflection, and it really has been a time of reflection for me also. I simply put 2021 for me, living in Jamaica like this: the best year I've had since living in Jamaica. Now guys, many of you know that I have been living in Jamaica for a little while now, for a few years, and I've kind of detailed some of my experiences of living in Jamaica. Guys, you see these on the vlogs, our everyday vlogs. You see my life in Jamaica, my life with Outlaw in Jamaica, but before, you know, I started to pick up a camera and vlog. Of course I had a life before then, and I've kind of shared with you guys some of the struggles that Outlaw and I have been through, and some of the struggles I've been through since moving to Jamaica, because as many of you know, and I say this all the time, that I came and I didn't have a clear idea of what I was going to do or how I was going to make it work. I kind of just ended up here. I don't even want to say by accident, but I ended up living in Jamaica, staying in Jamaica without planning to stay or live in Jamaica, if that makes sense. And I do speak about this on another video. But yeah, it has been challenging, and I guess moving to any new country is going to be challenging, right? I think even more so challenging because, like I said, I didn't really have a strategy or a structure of how I was going to make it work. But I'm still here a few years later, and I'm very thankful for that. But my year 2021, the reason why I say this is my best year to date since I have been living in Jamaica, I have to really credit it to you guys. You guys are really helping to change my life in Jamaica, change our lives, both Outlaw and I. And yeah, without you guys, gosh man, I don't even know. So you know what, all thanks and gratitude to every single one of you that have subscribed, that haven't subscribed but you still watch. Thank you to every single person that leaves comments. Thank you to every single person that has found it in their heart to send us a donation. We thank you, and we appreciate it. 2021 has been the best year of my life in Jamaica, because in March of this year, when Outlaw and I were at a time when I was thinking, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Outlaw was working a job, and it was just like, there's no point in working this job because at the end of the week there's nothing in your hand. Literally, there isn't anything in your hand, you know. So it was really difficult, and we made a decision that let's try YouTube. You know what, let's try it. We'd sit and watch YouTube. It's something that we'd briefly spoken about before. Outlaw was a lot more enthusiastic about it than I was. As I said before in a previous video, this might sound strange, but I'm not really the outgoing type. I'm just to myself. I like to stay at home. I don't really like to go out, you know. I don't know, I guess I'm a bit of an introvert at times. And so for me to put myself out there, especially knowing what I've been through in the past, for me to put myself out there was a bit of a risk for me, you know. But Outlaw and I said, okay, let's start the channel. Guys, in March of this year, 2021, we decided to start our YouTube channel. And we said, all right, you know what? Let's give ourselves 12 months. Let's give ourselves 1 year to see if we can, you know, if we think this can work or something can become of this. Now, as many of you guys may know, before you can even get monetized on YouTube, you need to gain 1,000 subscribers. And the general advice is that it could take between 6 months to 1 year to gain 1,000 subscribers. So we were going to give it 1 year. Let's see how it goes. I think within, I don't even know, a few weeks or 2 months, within about 2 months or so, within about 2 months, we had gained 1,000 subscribers, and it was like, oh my gosh, what? Very overwhelming. YouTube and what you guys have allowed us to do is to not only show you our daily lives and, you know, take you around the island with us, but it's also allowed us to set up business off of that. So as you guys may know, we have our datmisehtv Tours Jamaica. So we have a tours business where we do, you know, airport pickups, drop-offs, island-wide tours, etc. And we also help people find land and houses across the island. And that's been solely based off our channel, right? And for most part, our customers are people who watch the channel, who subscribe to the channel, you know, and they want to work with us, and that's great. But it's definitely been a year of development. It's been a year of growth for both of us, for me too. Guys, if you had said to me, I'm used to doing a 9 to 5. In UK, I'm used to doing my 9 to 5, okay? And as some of you know, when I came out here, I started to online teaching. But if you had said to me a year ago, you know that you're gonna just be, well, you're gonna have your own business and you're gonna be self-employed and you're gonna kind of run your own thing, I would have said to you, don't be silly. Nah. You know, I'm so used to the comfort of working for somebody else and having that, how can I say, that guaranteed income, you know? At the end of the month, you're gonna get a set salary or set income or wage at the end of the week. So that's what I've been used to, and not having that has not been easy. And even now it's not easy because we don't have bookings every day, you know, we're not overrun with bookings, you know, but we are grateful for the bookings that we do get, and it has helped to propel us, and we are still growing. So this year, 2021, I can say from March 2021 to December right now has been the best year of my life in Jamaica, definitely. And I really give thanks for it. And I'm like, guys, I tell you, I said this before, but my mind doesn't stop. Now that I'm on a roll, my mind, every single day, my mind doesn't stop. I'm always thinking about the next thing. And I know I have to take my time. You have to walk before you can run. But I'm just so business focused right now. And even yesterday, I said to Outlaw, I was chilling out for a little while. And I said, oh, isn't it nice to just chill out for a little bit? You know, have a few hours to chill out. And I said, you know, I don't want to speak about work. Don't talk to me about vlogs. Don't talk to me about, you know, don't talk to me about work. I just want to chill, because sometimes my mind is so overrun with things. And literally within 5 minutes, there I was talking to Outlaw about work. And he was like, but you just said, I said, I know, but my mind just will not allow me. So yeah, I'm always thinking about the next thing, how we can expand. But yeah, it's just been, you know, in the midst of a pandemic. The year before, guys, was probably my worst year. My worst year in Jamaica, 2020, my worst year in Jamaica with the pandemic and everything. And of course, we're still in the middle of a pandemic, but, you know, the Lord has seen it fit that even though we're still in the midst of a pandemic, that He was able to take us out of the circumstances and the challenges we faced in 2020 and bless us in 2021. So yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm just so grateful. Again, I just have to thank you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, there would be no this. There would be no datmisehtv. There would be no datmisehtv Tours Jamaica. There would be none of these other things that we have been doing in the background. And guys, we have a lot more to come. 2022, we have a lot more to come. We've got things in the pipeline. It just takes work and dedication, and we're working on those things now. But we have a lot more planned for 2022. Yeah, and it's just yeah, it's overwhelming sometimes, but I'm cheesing right now, right? Yeah, because I'm just so happy with how this year has gone. And again, thank you so much. So yeah, guys, like I said, this is just a very short and sweet video of how my 2021 has gone. And I just hope for more and improved success, blessings, happiness for 2022, and I wish those for you guys too. Guys, thank you for watching this Vlogmas. Thank you for watching this video. We're on Vlogmas, so you know you're going to see us again tomorrow. Guys, stay safe. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please do watch a piece of the ads. And until next time, that we said.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.